Hello to all you folks out there. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this lawnmower blade set that I got online. It's three different types of blades, and I got it to replace this one here because it's all beat up. I use this one to do a lot of blackberry. So let's see what it's like. So it comes with these two gloves, and then you have all these basic tools for pretty much attaching your blade to your trimmer head. Now I'm using a still. Okay, so the first one is this, what looks like a chainsaw type blade. Okay, that looks thick enough. I'm curious, I'm assuming this one is used for maybe cut down smaller saplings. Let's put that aside. Okay, I think I know what these are for. These are for pretty much when you're changing the trimmer head, you stick this in a little slot. I'm going to show you later on. Let's see what other blades look like. All right, let me put this glove on back when I'm done. I can tell right away that that's a lot thinner than my original blade. So this one is heavy duty that I got. And this one is a lot smaller by comparison. Let's line up those. I don't know. I don't know if that's worth it. It's too thin. Let's see what the last one looks like. Okay. Another saw type blade. Has a little plastic around it just for protection. That seems very thin and flimsy. Yeah. Compared to this original brush cutter blade, this is a lot thinner. But either way, anyways, I'm gonna still go ahead and install it. Put on these little rods. Oh, actually, I think that's for filing. But for now, I'm going to use it to install the lid. Okay. Let's see. Actually, that fits perfectly on the. So this is a still trimmer head, and that opening is just the correct size to fit on it. Let's see if all the tools are here that we need. Okay. All right, so let's try this again. This fits. even though it's 10, I might still go ahead and try this thing.